we are going to learn the next function called as strcmp of string 1 and string 2. Okay, the meaning of this is I have to compare two different strings. Compare two different strings or same string to calculate whether they are equal or not. Whether they are equal or not. If two different strings, like I am going to give string 1 as high and string 2 as high. So both the string 1 and string 2, both strings are equal. If I am going to declare string 1 as high and string 2 as hello, here the two strings are different. So I have to compare these two strings whether they are equal or not. If two strings are equal, it displays an answer 0. If two strings are not equal, it returns some numerical value. Any numerical value can be written. Okay. If two strings are equal, it is going to declare as 0. If two strings are not equal, it is going to declare as the numerical value. Like that, there is a condition. If strings equal means it declares the 0. Strings greater than 0 means string 1 is greater than string 2. Okay, this is second condition. And less than 0 condition. String 1 is less than string 2. Okay, the meaning of this is I have to compare two different strings. If the two strings, string 1 and string 2 are equal, it is going to return the value as 0. If the two strings are different, it is going to declare the answer in numerical value. Whether the string, first condition is whether the strings are equal, it is going to display the answer as 0. If the strings are not equal and if the string is greater than 0 means the string 1 is greater than string 2. So it declares another answer. And if the string 1 is less than string 2, it is going to declare another answer. Like that, we are going to compare two different strings by using the string CMP operation. Okay, shall we see a program regarding to this? So again, I have to write hash include stdio.h and hash include string.h main, in which I am going to declare two character arrays called as string 1 with 20 size and string 2 with 20 size, and I am going to take a numerical integer as result because I have to tell that whether two strings are equal or not. For that purpose, I am going to declare a integer type of variable here. Here, printf enter string 1. It displays the message like this, and we have to scan that string as str1. Why? Because I have declared as string 1 here, so the name will be getting here. And printf enter string 2. Okay, again I am using the gets function to read the string 2. Okay, now this time I am going to use the compare function in the result equal to str compare string comparison of which elements str1 comma str2. Okay, if result equals to 0, then print the statement as both strings are equal. Both strings are equal. Or else print the statement as both strings are not equal. Both strings are not equal. Okay, and return 0. So this is the program regarding to the string comparison. We are going to compare two different strings. So here string 1 is one character array and string 2 is another character array. Here result stands for compare. Result is used to compare two different strings. Compare two strings. Okay, in that we are going to enter the first string by using printf and gets, and we are going to enter the second string by using printf and gets. Next, coming to the result, I have to use the function called as strcmp. In that I am going to derive first string and the second string I am going to derive. If the result is equal to 0, print both the strings are equal. The result, here I have to check the condition as check condition result equal to 0 or not, because initially we learned that if both strings are equal, it returns a value 0. If both the strings are not equal to 0, it returns as a numerical value. For that purpose I am going to write this condition. If result equal to 0, print if both strings are equal. If or else it is going to print that both strings are not equal. Like this we are going to write the program regarding to the string comparison. Okay.